What's going on with commercial auto insurance rates in 2022? Have you seen the cost of your business auto insurance go up over the past few years? Curious what may be on the horizon? In this video, we're going to talk about the cost of commercial auto insurance and what to expect in commercial auto rates in 2022 and beyond. Okay, before I get into business auto rates, can I ask you to do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button? That'll help signal to YouTube that this is good content and help build my channel. I'd appreciate it. Thanks.
3, 2, 1, 0.
So, whether you're a contractor with a fleet of trucks, or you're hauling goods for deliveries, or any other commercial business with a business auto or commercial auto policy, you've likely experienced rate increases over the last several years. Unfortunately, it looks like we'll continue to see rate increases into 2022 and probably beyond. The prediction is that rates will rise anywhere from 10% to 25% this year. So, what's driving these rate increases? Well, there are several factors. The first is liability lawsuit verdicts continue to rise, and something called nuclear verdicts are increasingly prevalent. Nuclear verdicts are those where settlements exceed $10 million, and those sorts of awards have frightened underwriters and insurers to the point of wanting to restrict writing new policies and increasing the costs of those policies that they do write. Second on the list of problems is driver shortages, and this makes the news almost every day. The trucking industry has a shortage of about 80,000 drivers nationwide for a variety of reasons. But that shortage is forcing employers to lower their driver acceptability standards to fill open positions. And that has and will continue to lead to more crashes. The next biggest factor influencing costs is distracted driving. You would think by 2022 that we would have tackled this problem and solved it, but unfortunately, we have not. Distracted driving accidents injure almost 400,000 people a year and cause an estimated $46 billion worth of damages and claims every year. To top it all off are rising accident costs, not just for the physical repairs to vehicles, but also rising medical costs for injured parties. Roll it all up and you get fewer insurers willing to write commercial or business auto insurance, and those that do are charging higher and higher rates for it. What can you do about it? While there are fewer drivers available, we do encourage you to have a strong posture relative to recruiting experienced drivers with good driving records. If you'd like a copy of our driver eligibility matrix, let me know and I'd be happy to send it to you. Now is the time to look at your risk control practices as well when it comes to your fleet auto. What can you do to improve driver safety training? What are you doing to manage your fleet appropriately? And what can you do to reinforce the need for more focus and less distraction on the road? Need help here? Let me know and we can provide you some of our risk management resources specifically targeted to your issues. Next up, technology. Have you considered telematics for your fleet? Telematics will help identify problem driving habits before they become serious accidents, and you can bolster training and your safety culture. Next up is accident investigations. In addition to doing everything you can to prevent accidents, what are you doing to investigate those that do occur? Good accident investigations help prevent future accidents and help reinforce a company's commitment to safety. Now, when it comes to insurance, I'd recommend speaking to your insurance broker at least 4 months prior to your business auto insurance renewal to understand and prepare for what may be happening with your rates. Does your broker have wide access to the marketplace to solicit quotes from multiple underwriters? If not, it may be time to speak to another broker who can not only help access the market, but also help you with solid risk control recommendations. Here's the bottom line. If you're already doing a lot of positive things I mentioned above to control risk in your company, you need to be selling that to your broker and to your insurance company. If you've got a written risk control plan for your fleet or a driver selection process you stick by or a well-documented driver training plan, then I'd recommend asking your broker to organize a Zoom call or a physical visit with your insurer's underwriters to show off your business. This is so you can show off all the positive things you do to control risk. This is your opportunity to differentiate your business from all the others that don't take risk control seriously so you can achieve some rate relief. Now, This is more than window dressing. If you have all the documentation for safety, but no one's following the rules, and if there's no accountability and your claims are out of control, you're probably not going to want to arrange that visit. This is where the rubber meets the road, and if you can't demonstrate how you are different, you'll probably not achieve great rate results. The fact is that in a troubled line of coverage like commercial auto, you're going to get painted with the same rate increase brush as everyone else, unless you can demonstrate excellence in preventing claims now and into the future. The more aggressive you are at safety, the more aggressive your underwriter can be in your pricing. Do you need help? If you need help with safety and compliance in commercial auto or any other risk management area, let's chat. We've got a lot of expertise and resources to help you reduce and manage risk. Thanks for watching.